I've had a Stampede 4x4 in the past. The thing I really didn't like about the Stampede is that it was high center of gravity, so it tended to flip over a lot, and had kind of a short wheelbase, kind of narrow, just a little too small also, so not that fun of a truck really to just bash around. So what I wanted to do was make a Stampede that was gonna just drive a little better, so that's what I ended up with. So this is just like a fully modified Stampede. I'm running a Rustler chassis, ProTrack suspension arms, TLR shocks. I'm running like an Arma power plant, so it's actually pretty decent speed. Yeah, I don't know how, I think pretty much rips on 2S. There's wheelies. You know, punches didn't even really set up all the way. I think it's still on 3. So it's kind of crazy. And then I put on some J-Concepts choppers, tires. Really, the whole thing is fully modified. And I'll do a full review of this thing at some point, but just wanted to test this thing out a little bit at the local basher spot. So this place actually is a BMX park, but for some reason the BMX park is closed today. It was open yesterday, and I don't know if it was a government shutdown or what, but it's not open today. So just found a little spot next to the BMX park where sometimes I drive if I can't get in the BMX park or it's too wet or whatever, but it was a good little spot as well. So I'm testing out this new GoPro Hero7 I picked up. It was on sale, or really GoPro has this trade-in program where you can turn in an old digital camera or a old GoPro. I had a Hero 2 that I was using, and it just wasn't really getting it done. I mean, the audio didn't work, the picture quality really sucked, so decided to pick up the Hero7. So they had this deal where if you turn in an old GoPro digital camera, you got $100 off of a new Hero7 Black Edition. So those retail for $400. With that trade-in program, it was only $300. So pretty good deal. I think online buying a new Hero7 is somewhere around $360, $370, $380-ish. And so, yeah, pretty good deal. Look into it if you're thinking about getting one. This is my first time using the GoPro. Hopefully the footage comes out okay. I mean, I'm like looking into shadows and the sun and all that, try to get a little better vantage point. Also, hopefully the audio comes out okay, because that can be a problem as well. I'm just using the internal mic right now. I'm not sure how it's going. Other news, I've been working on my 22.5 SR, so I picked that up you know, last week, and put out some running footage of that, as well as an unboxing video, so hopefully you got a chance to see that. But anyways, yeah, the 22.5 SR, pretty good buggy so far. I mean, the kit setup isn't bad. It's very neutral, easy to drive. I did play around with some other things, like I was messing around with like the number 4 steering arm. So it comes with 3 different steering arms for different amounts of steering, and I found the stock steering to be a little bit just a little bit, well, a little bit too lazy. So I tried the more aggressive arms, but that was just way too aggressive. I mean, I don't know how anyone could drive with that. You need superhero reflexes. So I went back to the stock steering, played around with shock oils, got some other ideas on things I want to change to make it drive a little bit. Also, my tires weren't quite right. They're brand new tires, and still very stiff and not quite broken in yet. So I think that buggy will get better with time. And then I also have a B6.1D, so we'll definitely do a comparison between that and the 5.0. The 5.0 Popo. Aerial acrobatics here. You know, if I get hit in the head and die and this thing never gets published, my apologies. Maybe my best and last video that never got released. Maybe my wife will find this on my GoPro and publish it posthumously. How do you say that? Posthumously? Posthumously? I don't really know. I'll say it's more fun with the jump. So I got a 32 pitch spur gear, which I recommend if you're doing stuff like this. Because you don't want that 48 pitch stuff, man. Oh, okay. Didn't quite jump that one clean. Suspension's holding up. Body's holding up. Pretty fun track overall. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. See if you can jump over me. This will be kind of crazy. Oh! Oh my God. Yeah, I meant to do that. Bounce off the fence, all four wheels. That seems like a new trick to me. It's gotta be a new trick, right? Yeah, I meant to do that. That was cool. Even landed it. just stupid stuff, man. Alright, well I think that's enough fun for now. Pretty successful bash here, even though the park was closed. Had a good time with the Traxxas Stampede LCG. It's working really well. I'm going to do a review of this so you can check out what's underneath. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. As always, look for more videos soon. Take care. Bye now.